type 4 problems, that is miscellaneous problems. So first problem, if f of z is analytic, show that del square upon del x square plus del square upon del y square modulus of f of z whole square is equal to 4 into modulus of f dash of z whole square. So we have to prove that this result. So first we shall consider f of z is equal to u plus iv, be analytic. We shall consider f of z is equal to u plus iv, be analytic. Already we know that f of z is equal to u plus iv. So next, modulus of f of z becomes square root of u square plus v square. This is also we know that modulus of f of z is equal to square root of u square plus v square. So next, squaring on both sides, modulus of f of z whole square is equal to square root to get cancelled, u square plus v square, right? This modulus of f of z is equal to square root of u square plus v square, or squaring on both sides. So this becomes here modulus of f of z whole square is equal to u square plus v square. So we shall take u square plus v square is equal to pi. Nothing but modulus of f of z whole square is equal to pi we shall take here. So actually we have to prove that del square upon del x square plus del square upon del y square into modulus of f of z whole square, right? Modulus of f of z whole square, nothing but modulus of f of z whole square is equal to we have here. Modulus of f of z whole square is equal to we have here what? Modulus of f of z whole square is equal to pi we have here. Is it clear? So pi we have here. So in place of modulus of f of z whole square, so we can write pi here, pi, which is equal to 4 into modulus of f dash of z whole square. Clear? 4 into modulus of f dash of z whole square. Next here, that is to prove that, see, observe carefully here. So in place of modulus of f of z, so we can write pi. Is it clear? Modulus of f of z whole square is equal to pi we can write. So pi we can write is equal to 4 into f dash of z whole square. Next, we have to multiply these two. Del square pi upon del x square plus del square pi upon del y square. We know that del square pi upon del x square, that is pi xx, plus del square pi upon del y square, nothing but pi y, which is equal to 4 into modulus of f dash of z whole square, right? We have to prove that pi xx plus pi yy is equal to 4 into f dash of z whole square. Next, we shall consider pi is equal to u square plus v square. So pi is equal to u square plus v square we shall consider here. So first to differentiate with respect to x partially. Next to differentiate with respect to y partially. So differentiate with respect to x partially. Pi differentiation with respect to x partially, nothing but pi x is equal to y u square differentiation 2u into ux. V square differentiation 2v into v differentiation vx. So 2 common we have to take out. Remaining here u into ux plus v into vx. So next, again differentiate with respect to x partially. So one more time you have to differentiate because we have to prove that pi xx plus pi yy. Pi xx we want here. So that's why pi with respect to x 2 times we have to differentiate. Then only we get pi xx. Next here, pi xx is equal to 2 keep as it is. We have to apply product rule. So first u keep as it is, u keep as it is. Ux differentiation uxx plus ux keep as it is, u differentiation ux plus. Similarly for v into vx, v keep as it is, differentiation of vx. So differentiation of vx is vxx plus vx keep as it is, differentiation of v is vx. Next here, u into uxx keep as it is, ux into ux square, v into vxx keep as it is, vx into vx square. Consider equation number 1. So this is what pi xx. Next we have to find pi yy. So pi function with respect to y partially 2 times. So 2 times we have to differentiate with respect to y partially, right? So 2 times differentiate madidre. So first time we have to differentiate pi differentiation pi y, u square differentiation 2u into uy plus v square differentiation 2v into vy. So 2 common take out, So remaining here u into uy plus v into vy. So one more time we have to differentiate with respect to y partially. So pi y differentiation pi yy, which is equal to 2 keep as it is. U into uy is there. We have to apply product rule. U keep as it is. Uy differentiation uyy plus uy keep as it is. U differentiation uy. V into uy is vy is there. So v keep as it is. Vy differentiation vyy plus vy keep as it is. V differentiation vy. Next job. Uy into uy, first term keep as it is. Uy into uy square. V into vyy keep as it is. Vy into vy square. Consider equation number 2. Next step here. So pi xx pi yy is prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಾವು pi xx plus pi yy is equal to 4 into f dash of z whole square. Next pi xx we have, pi yy we have, we can add these two. So equation number 1 and equation number 2, adding 1 and 2, so we get here. So we have here uxx uyy, right? Uxx uyy we have here. Equation number 1 u into uxx. In these two terms, u we have to take out. V into vxx, v into vyy. So we have to take v common. So remaining part here uxx plus uyy. V common vxx plus vyy. So remaining ux square, vx square, uy square, vy square keep as it is. Consider equation number 3. Next job. We know that f of z is equal to u plus iv is analytic. Analytic ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯು ವೈ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿ ವೈ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವೇನ್ ಬರಬಹುದು, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯು ವೈ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, vxx plus vyy is equal to 0 na ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು, ರೈಟ್. ಫರ್ದರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ CR equations. CR equations ಏನಿದೆ, ux is equal to vy, vx is equal to minus uy. So these two results and CR equations, so we used in equation number 3. So obviously becomes uxx plus uyy is equal to 0 na, this is 0. V into vxx plus vyy 0, right? 0 we have to substitute. ux square vx square keep as it is. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ uy square vy square, vy square uy square vy square, we have to substitute ux square and vx square here, ux square and vx square. So these two terms become 0. ux square vx square, so minus vx whole square nothing but vx square ux square or u square x or v square x. So next we can add these two. It becomes 2ux square. This becomes 2vx square. 2 take out. 2 into 2, 4. So 4 into ux square plus vx square. Consider equation number 4. We have to prove that pi xx plus pi yy is equal to 4 into f dash of z whole square. Next, we know that f dash of z is equal to ux plus I into vx. Right, f dash of z is equal to ux plus I into vx. Next year, modulus on both sides. So modulus on both sides, it becomes what? Modulus of f dash of z is equal to square root of ux square plus vx square ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ, right? Squaring on both sides, so we'll get f dash of z whole square is equal to ux square plus vx square. Observe carefully here, ux square plus vx square is equal to f dash of z whole square. So we have to use this result in RHS of equation number 4. So obviously equation number 4 we have here pi xx plus pi yy is equal to 4 into, so in place of this we have to substitute f dash of z whole square. So finally we get 4 into f dash of z whole square. So we have to prove that pi xx plus pi yy is equal to 4 into f dash of z whole square is the required answer. Next, if f of z is a regular function, f of z is a regular function, nothing but analytic function. Show that del upon del x modulus of f of z whole square plus del upon del y modulus of f of z whole square is equal to modulus of f dash of z whole square. We have to prove that this result. So first already they given f of z is equal to u plus iv be the regular function or analytic function. Next year modulus apply ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು this becomes modulus of f of z is equal to square root of u square plus v square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ which is equal to pi we shall take. So ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ pi square root of u square plus v square ಅಂದ್ರೆ pi ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ modulus of f of z is equal to pi ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡುವ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ modulus of f of z is equal to pi ಹಾಕಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ del pi upon del x whole square plus modulus of f of z is equal to we shall take what here pi del pi upon del y whole square which is equal to f dash of z whole square. That is to prove that we know that del pi upon del x andre pi x, this is what pi y, pi x square pi y square is equal to f dash of z whole square. So pi is equal to we shall take here what u square plus v square, right? Next we shall consider so e product and the prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next we shall consider pi square is equal to u square plus v square because we want here pi x square ಬೇಕು. So that's why we shall consider pi square is equal to u square plus v square. Differentiate with respect to x partially. Pi square differentiation 2 pi into pi x, u square differentiation 2 into ux, v square differentiation 2v into vx. So throughout equation divided by 2. Pi into pi x is equal to u into ux plus v into vx. Consider equation number 1. So differentiate with respect to y partially. The pi square is equal to u square plus v square with respect to y partially. E function ana. So pi square differentiation 2 pi into pi y. U square differentiation 2u into uy. V square differentiation 2v into vy. Throughout equation divided by 2. So obviously we have here pi into pi y is equal to u into uy, v into vy. Consider 2. Squaring and adding equation number 1 and 2. Squaring and adding ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ pi square into pi x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ left hand side, pi square into pi y square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So pi square common we have to take out. Answer will be pi square common pi x square plus pi y square because squaring and adding equation number 1 and 2. Next left hand side squaring and adding u into ux plus v into vx whole square, u into uy plus v into vy whole square, right? Squaring and adding ಮಾಡಿದವಿ. Next this is of the form a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab we have here. Next ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕೆಲವು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ f of z is equal to u plus iv is analytic ಆದ್ರಿಂದ we have a CR equations, that is ux is equal to vy and vx is equal to minus uy. By using these in the second bracket of the RHS, so ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು second bracket of the RHS ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ CR. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದು, ರೈಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನಲ್ಲಿ. So this is what first bracket up to here. Next this is what second bracket, right? So second bracket of the RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈಗ CR. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು second bracket of the RHS we have to use CR equations. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ u square v square u square uy square ಇದೆ. ಸೊ uy square ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, uy ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ vx ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ vx ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ v ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, vy ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ vy ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ನಾವು ux ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 2u into v uy vy ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ux vx ಹಾಕ್ತೇವೆ. CR uy vy ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ux vx ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ minus 2 into uv ux vx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ and this term get cancel. u square ux square u square vx square ಅಲ್ಲಿ u square common take out. In these two terms v square common take out. So remaining part u square plus v square into ux square plus vx square we have. So here we know the but pi square is equal to u square plus v square ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ pi square into pi x square plus 5y square is equal to, in place of u square plus v square we have to substitute pi square. So pi square get cancelled. Pi x square plus pi y square is equal to ux square plus vx square we have. Consider equation number 3. But f dash of z is equal to ux plus I into vx ಇದೆ. Modulus of f dash of z ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು square root of ux square plus vx square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ux square plus vx square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here in 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ux square plus vx square place ಅಲ್ಲಿ modulus of f of z whole square ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So obviously we have here pi x square plus pi y square is equal to modulus of f dash of z whole square is the required answer. So next one. Show that an analytic function with the constant modulus is itself a constant. So ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Or if modulus of f of z is constant, prove that f of z is also a constant. Modulus of f of z is constant ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ they given modulus of f of z is constant, prove that f of z is also constant, or show that an analytic function with constant modulus is itself a constant. So analytic function we shall consider modulus we have to apply. Obviously this becomes square root of u square plus v square. Squaring on both sides it becomes u square plus v square. So they given modulus of f of z is constant. So modulus of f of z which is equal to constant ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, which is equal to c we shall take. So modulus of f of z place ಅಲ್ಲಿ c ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, whole square ಇದೆ, c square is equal to u square plus v square ಆಯ್ತು. Consider equation number 1. So differentiate one with respect to x and y partially. With respect to x one time ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, with respect to y one time ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So obviously with respect to x ಮಾಡಕರೆ c square differentiation 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, u square differentiation 2u into ux, v square differentiation 2v into vx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Third equation divided by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. u into ux plus v into vx is equal to 0 we have. Consider equation number 2. Next with respect to y partially ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ c square differentiation 0, u square differentiation 2u into uy, 2v into vy. Third equation divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ u into uy plus v into vy is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So direct 0 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ we have to use CR equations. uy is equal to minus vx ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, vy is equal to plus ux ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Consider equation number 3. 2 and 3 we can add here. 2 and 3 we can add, and also squaring. Squaring and adding 2 and 3. Squaring and adding ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ u square ux square, v square vx square. This becomes plus u square vx square, v square ux square, right? Squaring and adding equation number 2 and 3. u square ux square, u square vx square ಅಲ್ಲಿ u square common take out. In these two v square common take out. So factorization form we have here u square plus v square into ux square plus vx square, right, is equal to 0. We know that ux square plus vx square is equal to 0 we shall take. It goes to RHS, it becomes 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ux square plus vx square is equal to 0 ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. And also we have a analytic function that is f of z is equal to u plus iv. f dash of z is equal to obviously ux plus ivx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So f dash modulus of f dash of z whole square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ux square plus vx square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Already we know that modulus of f, just modulus of f dash of z is equal to square root of ux square plus vx square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Squaring on both side ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ modulus of f dash of z whole square is equal to ux plus vx square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And also ux plus vx square, see here this is what here 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ux square plus vx square 0 ಇದೆ, which is equal to 0. So obviously f of z is a constant ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So how it becomes constant? So on integration or squaring on both side ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ modulus of f dash of z ಬರುತ್ತೆ, modulus ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ f dash of z 0 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So integration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ f of z is equal to constant ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the proof.